Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make chicken curry. Into a pot on high heat, add in your oil, followed by your ground biryani mix and your sliced onion. Fry your onion till golden brown, stirring occasionally to make sure it doesn't burn. When your onions are brown, add in your tomatoes, ginger and garlic, chili and curry leaf. Mix it well and allow it to cook with the lid on for about a minute. After a minute, add in your masala and mix it in, allowing it to cook for a few seconds. Then add in your chicken and some salt. Mix it well and add in about half a cup of water. And allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. Check your curry occasionally to make sure it doesn't burn and add in any additional water if necessary. When the 10 minutes are up, add in your potatoes as well as 1 cup of water and allow this to cook till the potatoes have softened completely. When the gravy thickens and the potatoes are soft, you can add in your optional coriander to garnish. Mix it in and it's ready to serve with either some rice, roti or bread. If you want to make a Durban style bunny chow, simply use a piece of unsliced bread, hollow out the middle and fill it in with your curry. Serve it alongside a carrot, onion and chili salad. Enjoy!